Welcome to week 2 of Analysis Wednesday. Today we're going to be talking about the 1% rule. This is the second step that I use to analyze a property to see if it's really worth deep diving and to be able to eliminate stuff without wasting my time. The 1% rule is honestly the easiest of all the rules. It literally just means that your gross monthly rent should equal 1% of the total asking price. So watch. If I have a property that rents for $1,000 a month, that's 1% of $100,000. So it's safe to assume that the property is worth $100,000. The same rule of thumb works the opposite way. If I find a $100,000 property, I should be able to assume it rents for about $1,000 a month. This is a very general rule of thumb, and you're going to have to play around a little bit to see what your area actually goes for. In Springfield, Missouri, I easily can get 1.2 to 2%, which means that I could get $2,000 a month worth of rent off of a $100,000 property, or at least $1,200. And I know that, so I run everything through a 1.2% to 2% rule, depending on the location of the house. General rule of thumb though, 1% will work, and once you figure out exactly what percent of the asking price it should rent for in your area, just plug that into everything, and if the numbers don't add up, stop looking at the property. Stop wasting time looking at properties and letting your emotions get involved. Don't look through pictures, don't go to the house, don't ask your realtor to go to the house. Run the property through these simple formulas. If the numbers don't add up, skip it, move on to the next one. The market's good. You'll find something. Thanks for tuning into this Analysis Wednesday. Tune in next week for the 50% rule.